Hey guys, today we are continuing our series about JavaScript. We started with arrays, but today we're going to cover JavaScript if-else statements. Before I give you an example of use case and how you can use if-else statements, this is your first time watching. My name is Usman. I make tutorials about JavaScript and web development. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. And if you want to motivate me extra, you can now become a Patreon of the channel. I will put the link below in the description below the video. So what are JavaScript if-else statements and how we can use them inside JavaScript? Well, they are basic conditional statements that are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. How can I demonstrate this to you in the simplest way is the following. We can create a variable inside this function and we can call this variable age. So I'm going to say const age equals 18. Now we will output to the console different stuff based on different conditions. And to create a condition, we can say if, let's say if age is smaller than 18, and we will have else if age is equal to 18, we will execute another set of condition. And then finally, if we have else, if the first condition was not met, if the second condition was not met, we will execute line 14. So here, inside the first condition, we can say if age is less than 18, we can say console log I am under 18. And inside the else if block condition, we can say console log I am 18. And else, we can say console log I am older than 18. All right, now let's test this. I will clear my terminal and I will say node script.js. And we can see that it had an output of I am 18. We printed this out because we checked this condition. It returned true, so this line of code, so it checked this right here, it returned true, and this line, number 11, was executed. If we change this to 17 and execute this again, so node script.js, we'll see that now we have I'm under 18 because it went again and it saw that age is 17, 17 is less than 18, so it returned true, so it executed line 9. And if we do age 25 and execute this again, say node script.js, now we can see I'm older than 18 because neither this nor this second condition was met, so it went into the else block and it executed line 13. This is the simplest way I found to explain you the JavaScript conditional statements. I hope you like this example and I hope they are more clear to you right now as a beginner in JavaScript. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like such content, make sure you subscribe. And also make sure to become a Patreon to motivate me more to produce amazing content for you. Thank you so much for watching and I see you again in the future.